Hello, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, and today I am going to do an unboxing of two different items. So if you're interested in finding out what I have in these two items, stick around. First off, let me say, if this is your first time visiting my channel, feel free to click that red subscribe button you see down below. Then a bell will appear. Click that bell and you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you for coming back. You know you have my heart. Now on with the video. Now my first item, I'm unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. I like BoxyCharm from what I've seen prior, but this month's box I'm a little disappointed in because some of the items that I saw on the infomercials and other influencers showing the boxes for this month, I only received one item that the other influencers and on the commercials have shown. But with me saying that, two items. Yeah, two items. But I know that says in there guaranteed, there's not guaranteed that you're going to get every item. But I do like what I've received this month. But I was expecting a little bit more. Let's open up and see what I have for this month. Okay, I got the Illuminating facial sponge. I like the fact that it has the point. It gets in those corners really well when I put on concealer. Next, I got the Luminous face mask. It's a veggie face mask. Y'all know I'm allergic to a lot, so I hope I'm not allergic to it. But when I get ready to use this item, I will do a video showing you how it looks when I put it on and how it does my skin. Next, I have the Glassy, and it is a body balm. So this is kind of interesting. So I like the smell of this. Guys, it smells really good. It's from Touch and Soul. I really like this container. It's cute. Next thing I got was the Onyx. I got the lip gloss. Next, I received this lip gloss. And what's interesting to me, guys, is the fact, let me turn it right. Okay, next I received this lip gloss, the Onyx lip gloss. But what's interesting to me, guys, it is a lip plumper. If my hand will stop shaking. But I am a woman of color, and I already have full lips, so a lip plumper, not so much. Next, I have the Marvelous Mauves Make Eyeshadow. Now, the colors in this palette are really pretty, really pigmented. I like it. The colors in here kind of remind me of the Naked 2 palette, I think is what it is. But the colors in here are very pigmented. I like it. I will be doing a makeup look with these. So look for the video coming up soon where I do a eye makeup with this one here. So this is everything that came in my box this month. I was looking forward to getting that eyeliner they had on the infomercial because I like eyeliners. So I am looking forward to seeing my next month's BoxyCharm box and seeing what new items they have to offer for that. Now the next item that I received in the mail, which I'm excited about, this eyeshadow palette. To open it up and show you the colors in here. I tell you, I'm all thumbs today for some reason. Now, I really like the colors, and I'm upset with the fact that this one is broken. Now the colors here are very vibrant. And I'm really looking forward to doing a look with this palette as well. So look for a video coming up soon of me showing you different looks with these wonderful colors. I'm overwhelmed. You know, your girl loves eyeshadow palette. And I had to put myself on a lockdown from buying eyeshadow palettes. Because at one point I had bought so many that it didn't make any sense. So I have this palette here, and then I have my BoxyCharm box as well. These are the two items that I shared with you today. So I hope you enjoyed my crazy short video. If you did, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my video. And also follow me on my social media accounts. They should be flashing down below on the screen as well as in the description box. And as always, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe saying thank you for watching, and you be blessed.